The Hori controller is designed to be used in place of the left Joy-Jon in hand mode. It has a D-pad instead of the official arrow buttons on the left Joy-Con, along with an analog lever, the minus button, the capture button and the L and ZL buttons, as in the regular controller. On the downside, for the controller to be affordable around $24 in Japan, Hori has omitted several key features that limit the ways in which he can use it. No Bluetooth, gyro sensor or SL/SR buttons means that it can only be used in the hand mode and not in the TV or table modes. There is also no noise function, which is not a critical problem, but it is not ideal either. The result is a controller designed for a very particular job. It is intended to make certain types of games more comfortable to play, 2D fighting games, scroll handles, 2D platform games, etc. And in a few words, the D-pad is wonderful. Instead of the small arrow buttons embedded in the official controller, here is a fluid ball-shaped button that swings in place, making it easy to hit diagonals or change direction quickly, and making player sessions long, much more comfortable.